Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfikar here and welcome again to the Headphone channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing a quick review on the Hoco W23 wireless headphone. Alright guys, here are the packaging itself, and yeah, Hoco have been making a really nice packaging, nice illustration there. And I've been unboxing a few products from Hoco before this. You can check out in my channel there. Yeah, you see this a bit of the specification of the headphone itself. It's portable, digital talking, 8 hours music time, 300 mAh battery, wireless 5.0 with auxiliary cable port, and you can insert the SD card and use it as an MP3 player. Really nice. And here are at the side here we have the other specification of the headphone itself. It has music time 8 hours, standby to up to 200 hours, and memory sponge. And the right side, similar specification there. And at the back here we have the features and everything, and also we have the instructions and indicators of the headphone itself. We have the audio part, mark USB and everything there. Just keep that part there. And let's crack this thing open and see what's inside the box. Okay, at first we are faced with the headphones inside this plastic here, and at first glance, yeah, it's really nice looking. It doesn't look that cheap, although it is pretty cheap in price tag. We can get about 60 ringgits here, and it is foldable. And look at this extension there. It's about 1-inch extension there, not quite long. And we have the soft cushion here, soft sponge cushion. And let's see what else inside the box. We have firstly we have the auxiliary cable here, micro USB to charge the headphones, the warranty card, and lastly the user manual. It comes with different languages, and this one is the quality assurance. And let's take a closer look on the headphones. See here we have the auxiliary port, the micro USB port. This one is the microphone, and this one is the LED indicator. We have the mode, changeable mode, the volume controller and music controller. We have the power button, play and to answer call button here, and we have the SD card slot, so we can hear music directly with our SD card. The finishing of the side of the headphone is pretty nice. You have the grill-like gimmick side there. It's pretty lightweight. Kind of liked it. And I think it's quite, the build quality is quite low. It's cheap. There's like a cheap plastic there, but although the finishes covers the cheapness of these headphones, So let's try to connect them with my phone here. So to turn it on, we have to press the power button for 2 seconds, and the LED indicator will turn on, and the red and blue showing that it is in pairing mode. So let's pair with new device there. So it shows as Hoco W23, and let's connect them. Let's test some music here. Let's see how loud can we hear it. So to change music, we have to press and hold the next button. It's pretty loud. So let's try to wear them. So at first it's, yeah, I would say it's really average, not too comfortable, but just nice. And I wish the extension there can be a bit longer, you know, because yeah, it doesn't fit my head pretty well. Overall, it's just average. So the sound quality, it's not bad for a price tag. For this price tag, it's pretty nice. It's pretty loud. Bass is there. Alright, here are the specifications and the features of the headphones. Alright guys, my final thought on this product. It's a really nice product, though. The best part is it is cheaper in price, and it has a lot of features. You can use it as a Bluetooth, you can use your auxiliary cable. Also, you can slot in your SD card to listen it as an MP3 player. So yeah, I will recommend this product to you guys who are not willing to spend a lot of money on your headphones. So yeah, you can go for this product. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.